We are tackling a question that many of you at 45 might ask: can I still become a millionaire? You might think time isn't on your side, but let me tell you, it's never too late for financial success. Just look at Rich Roll at 45. He transformed his life to become a renowned ultra-endurance athlete and entrepreneur. Inspired, yet let's dive into how you can follow in the footsteps of such success stories.
If you want life to happen the way you want, because right now, the very crux of your happiness and your well-being, if at all, if you're unhappy. The only reason why you're unhappy is life is not happening the way you think it should happen. That's all it is. So if life is not happening the way you think it should happen, you're unhappy. If life happens the way you think it should happen, you are happy. It's as simple as that. So, if life has to happen the way you think it should happen, first of all, have you think. With how much focus you think, how much stability is there in your thought, and how much reverence is there in the thought process, will determine whether your thought will become a reality, or is it just an empty thought, or how. You do not create any impediments for your thought by creating negative thought process. You just see what is it that you really want and strive for that. And if your thought is created in a powerful way, without any negativity, without any negative thoughts, bringing down the intensity of the thought process, the first and foremost thing is you must be clear. What is it that you really want? If you do not know what you want, the question of creating it doesn't arise. It all starts in your mind. Lao said,
"The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step, so believe in your potential irrespective of age." Cultivate a mindset that sees opportunities instead of obstacles. Think big. Start small and stay consistent. Remember, age brings wisdom, and with wisdom comes the ability to make smarter choices. Take Colonel Sanders. His KFC empire began when he was in his 60s, a testament to the power of a positive mindset. When you talking about trying to build wealth and the focus on retirement, a lot of folks say, "I may never retire." Either because they love their job or they feel they're not financially secure enough. But it's important to think about what your next chapters are gonna be. And building wealth, maybe not for the word retirement, but for the next chapters in your life and the things that you want to do, is so very important. Financial literacy is your best tool. Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors, swears by the power of knowledge. Dive deep into the world of finance. Learn about investments, understand market trends, and study the successes and failures of great investors. The more informed you are, the better equipped you will be to make smart financial decisions. Buffett's journey to becoming the Oracle of Omaha was paved with relentless learning and adapting. Enjoying the insights so far? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more content like this. Our community is about empowering your journey to business success and financial freedom. You won't want to miss out. Your current skills are gold mines. With years of experience under your belt, think about how you can monetize these skills. Consulting, freelancing, or starting a business in a familiar field can be lucrative. Your expertise is unique. And in today's world, uniqueness has value. At 45 and brokerage, Roll tapped into his passion for fitness and wellness, transforming it into a thriving career and highly profitable business. Your skills are just as valuable, waiting to be utilized next. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. In an ever-changing economic landscape, multiple income streams can provide financial security and open new opportunities. Diversification is key to building wealth, whether a side hustle, real estate, or online business. Oprah Winfrey's success isn't just in media. She diversified into publishing, production, and more, showcasing the power of having varied income sources. If you can learn to step back before you invest, have a look at where we are on the life cycle. Whether there's value in the market, then make a decision as to when and how you are going to invest. So make sure you do your research and watch carefully before you start investing. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Start with less risky investments like mutual funds or ETFs. Benjamin Graham, the pioneer of value investing, advised investing with a margin of safety. This strategy reduces risk and can lead to steady gains over time. Always do your research and, if possible, consult with financial advisors. Ray Kroc, who made McDonald's a global brand, started in his 50s, showing that smart, strategic investments can yield great returns, regardless of age. Now to lifestyle and spending. Frugality is about being wise with your resources. It's not about cutting corners. It's about making intelligent choices that allow you to save and invest more. Seneca once said, "It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more that is poor." Cultivate a habit of saving and watch how it can transform your financial future. Ingvar Kamprad of IKEA was known for his frugal ways, which greatly contributed to his success. That whatever you want to accomplish in life, there's been someone who's already been there. There's been someone that is much further along and doing the thing that you want to do. The question is, can you find them and your social network? And surrounding yourself with the right people to help you achieve your goals faster is like the second, probably next education, the most important skill that I think you could ever have, whatever it is, because you're gonna realize as you get older and you grow up that you're gonna change your mind. You're gonna want to change careers. And it's really your social network that's gonna allow you to grow, to learn, and really be there to support and help you transition. And so, the importance of social networking isn't just having the right people, but they're also your average 5 right. So when you surround yourself with amazing people that lift you up, then you start to rise to that challenge and you live up to your fullest potential. Many underestimate this. The power of networking and mentorship can't be overstated. Surround yourself with people who inspire you and don't shy away from seeking guidance. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely and let their success rub off on you. Mentors like Steve Jobs significantly influenced Mark Zuckerberg's growth. Your network can open doors that you didn't even know existed. In the US alone, poor health costs US businesses over $200 billion a year just in terms of absenteeism. In terms of other disruptions to the business that are caused, and in the developed world, that's clear, but even in the developing world, there is a significant cost of poor health. For example, there are 100 million people a year who are pushed into poverty because they have to pay out of pocket for healthcare. And they're pushed from the middle class into poverty. So that prevents them from being contributors to economic growth in those countries. Health is wealth. Remember that your health is your greatest asset. A healthy lifestyle improves your lifespan and brain function, energy levels, and overall ability to make good decisions. Rich Roll's journey is a prime example of how transforming your health can lead to success in other areas of life. There you have it. -1 crucial steps for anyone over 45 looking to become a millionaire. Remember, your age is not a hindrance. It's a strength. It's never too late to start writing a new chapter in your life. Let your experiences be the wind beneath your wings as you soar towards success in business and financial freedom. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Your story could inspire someone else on their journey. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for more empowering content.